Hello, this is my friend. My friend's name is Arthur. Say, hello, Arthur.
Hello.
Arthur, this is my composter.
Oh, nice.
Arthur, look at my chest. It is full of things.
It is a little bit messy.
That's not nice, Arthur.
But it is messy. There are a lot of things.
Arthur, where are we?
We are inside the house.
That's right. What will happen if I step on this?
The door will open. I like your boat.
My boat?
Yes, your boat. What are you doing?
I'm getting in my boat.
Getting in?
Yes, like this. Getting in, getting out. Now we are sitting in the boat.
And now we are standing?
Yes, that is right. Sitting and standing. Get in, sit, stand, get out. Let's go for a walk.
Yes, let's. Let us. Let's.
Can you see all of the sand here?
Yes, I can. There is a lot. What are you doing?
I am planting some trees. I want the desert to look beautiful.
It looks good.
Thank you, my friend Arthur.
Why did you crouch?
I crouched because I enjoy crouching. Do, doing, did. So now we are running.
And falling?
I didn't want to fall. Did not, didn't. I am going to eat some watermelon.
The sound of watermelon isn't good.
Now we are going to do some mining.
Why?
Because I need a lot of iron and things.
What is that you have?
It is an iron pickaxe. Look at this, Arthur. It is an amethyst geode. Isn't it beautiful?
It needs more water.
There is amethyst, basalt, and other things.
Can you use the basalt for something?
I don't know.
I like the sound of walking on the amethyst.
I do too. Arthur, what is this?
It is a hole. A long hole.
That's right. Next, what is this?
It is iron.
Right again. There is a lot of iron here. In this place, here, and this place are the same. Also, and to are the same. The same. We got a lot of iron.
Nice.
This is a mine.
What is on the floor?
Those are rails.
Rails?
Yes, rails.
We found more iron.
That's right, we did. Do, doing, did. Let's get the rails too.
Why?
Because we can use them. We can make a railway.
Is that good?
Yes, it is. Very good.
Look,
There are some vines.
do we need vines?
No, we don't.
So we can't use them?
No, we can't.
I heard a sound.
It was the sound of lava. Lava is very, very hot.
What are you doing?
I am looking.
Why?
I want to find more things like iron, diamonds, lapis, etc.
What are the white things?
Those are cobwebs. Spiders make them.
Spiders? Are they dangerous?
Yes, they are. They are dangerous. So, we are getting more rails right now.
Will we make a railway?
Yes, we will.
What did they use this place for?
They used this place for mining.
They were not good at mining. They failed.
Why?
Because there is a lot of iron still.
Maybe they didn't need iron. Perhaps they wanted diamonds.
What are you doing with the torches?
I am placing them on the walls to make this place bright.
This mine is a little boring.
Yes, you are right. It is a little boring. We need more diamonds.
What is this green thing?
It looks like moss. What is down here? This is lapis.
I want some.
You will need a lot of gold then.
I don't have any gold.
No gold?
No, I don't have any gold or any lapis. I wanna get some. Oh, wow. What is that?
It looks like glowberries. I like glowberries a lot. This cave is not boring.
I wanna get some glowberries.
I am gonna get some, okay? I will place these here.
Why?
So we can get out. Yay! We got some glowberries.
I am very happy.
I am very happy too. We can use these to make the house look nice.
And we can eat them.
You are right. There are a lot of holes here. Lots of holes here. Lots and lots. Oh, we found some gold.
Can we use gold? Is it useful?
Yes, we can. It is useful.
There is a lot of gold.
I enjoy mining. I like finding lots of things like gold, iron, diamond.
Is iron useful? Can we use iron?
Yes, we can.
Yay!
Next, we will go look for iron or diamonds. Oh, look at that flower.
It is strange.
You are right. It is strange.
What is the name of this block?
It is a moss block.
What is moss?
Moss is like grass, maybe?
Can I eat it?
Perhaps not.
We have a lot of rails. Are they useful? Yes, they are. We can make something with them. I am happy we are friends. I am too, my friend. I am also happy we have a lot of raw iron and raw gold. What are you doing? Walking and digging. I want to find more. I heard the sound of something. Yes, that was the sound of a witch. Witches are a little bit dangerous. There were vines on the lapis lazuli, and I didn't see it. Is lapis useful? Yes, it is very useful. Oh, we are still finding iron. There is a lot of iron in this cave. That's right. There is a lot. Wow! Look at all of that iron. We can make lots of things. Iron is very useful. We need to put it into the furnace. That hole looks dangerous. It is dangerous. I don't know what is down there. Perhaps zombies? Maybe. Wow, we can get all of this? Yes, we can. Oh, I can see some lava down there. So, it is dangerous down there. We will go and see. I don't wanna. Well, we are going. Okay, so it was a little bit small. Good. I don't wanna see zombies, and I don't want to fall in the lava. There is a witch. She looks dangerous. The witch. She does. You are right. Ouch! Not good. Your health. Yes, my health is going down. Mine is okay. You don't have health. I do. Why is it going down? Because of poison. Poison? Yes, that is right. Poison. What is it? It is like water, but dangerous. What else can I eat? Glowberries? Maybe. This poison is very dangerous. I don't like it. Why are you mining? Why not? I can't do anything else. You are strange. You are right, my friend. Where is the hole? Don't you know? It is here somewhere. Somewhere? Yes, somewhere. Are we lost? No, we are not lost. We are... Say it. Okay. We are maybe a little bit lost. This is very dangerous. It isn't boring, though. It isn't good, though. I am enjoying myself, though. You need more health. That is why I am eating. That was the sound of a zombie. Damn it. What will we do? I don't know. Oh, that looks nice. I want it. Why are you getting more things? We need to go.
Because it looked nice. That's why. Get some glowberries to eat. I will. Thank you, Arthur. You too are very useful. No, I am helpful, not useful. Oh, you are right. You help me. So, you are helpful. That's right. I am helpful, not useful. I don't like the sound of zombies. Well, this place looks very beautiful. This is our house now. I don't want this to be my house. It is mine now, though. We are very lost now. You are right, my friend. Can we get out of this cave?